As you know, 28th of October, Heroku has stopped all his free tier services. What does it means? Means like if you want to deploy your server on the cloud on the Heroku, now you can't going to deploy directly on Heroku without paying any money. In this video, we are going to talk about what are the alternatives of Heroku so that you can deploy your server from localhost to the cloud. Yeah, after deployment, you can share URL with your friends, teachers, whomever you want to share, right? So yeah, start this video. See, there are lots of website where you can deploy your either a static website or your web server. But in this video, we are going to talk about only those who are the best alternatives of Heroku. I'm not going to tell you that you can deploy there, you can deploy your static on there, you can deploy. No, I'm not here to confuse you, isn't it? So in this video, we are going to talk about only those websites, only those cloud provider which takes less effort to deploy your local host server to your cloud, right? Yeah, we are on our browser, and first we will talk about Railway.app. Simply search Railway.app and click enter. This is the home page of Railway.app. You can see documentation as well, but skip that. Simply log in. After login, you will see this screen. Click on dashboard. See, these are some projects or these are some websites which I have deployed earlier on this website, because the service is very fast and this requires less step as compared to Heroku and other platform as well. So if you want to start deploying your any project, then click new project and you can choose a GitHub repo, right? So this is the basic steps required to deploy your any particular website on this Railway.app. Yeah, this was all about our first choice, that is Railway.app. Second is render. Simply search render. This is the home page of render. Simply log in or sign up. I have already logged in, so I will simply navigate to dashboard. Yeah, it will require you to log in again, so I will log in with the GitHub account. So we are on the dashboard of the render. See, I have deployed this much website earlier, and some of them are just static, means they are using React, and some of them are backends, means they are using database and all the logics of any website like Node and Express and server, all these things. Yeah, so these are the some websites. So how you can deploy? Steps is very simple. We previously done on Railway. So click new and choose which site you want to, like if you want to deploy your backend, then click on web service. If you want to deploy your frontend, then click a static site, right? Tons of option provided. So click, as I said earlier, you can choose it from your repository. I have already linked my GitHub account, so you can connect directly with the GitHub account and it will start building, and you will sooner going to get live on the internet. So this was all about render, and we will move to third option, that is cyclic.sh. Simply click cyclic.sh, click enter. Yeah, this is the home page of cyclic.sh. Click on sign in or sign up according to you. I will click sign in. So yeah, as you can see, this is my dashboard and I have only deployed only one project here. So you can click on this deploy button. Lots of option, but we will deploy it from by using our GitHub repo. So click here, link your own, and you can search your repo. This will going to show you all the repos which are present on your GitHub. So see, these are the repo which are present on my GitHub account. So this was the third option to deploy your website on cloud. And the fourth one is Netlify. Netlify is basically you can deploy on a static website, like you can deploy your React application or frontend like simple HTML, plain HTML. Click on login. See, this is giving me 100 GB of bandwidth, and this is quite fast if I compare with all the others for frontend only. So you can choose. See, these are my some website which I hosted on this Netlify. These are only the front ends, right? Don't expect too much. So this was Netlify, which was our fourth option for deploying our front end or plain HTML, CSS, JavaScript only. Yeah, we have seen what are those cloud providers. Let me tell you something. It is very difficult to show all this documentation about each and every sites which I showed you. Like you can go and simply search their features or services what they are providing, right? So I've only showed you what are those cloud providers. You can do your own research, whether you want to deploy a static or whether you want to deploy your server, right? So this was all about this video. I have also provided all the links in the description. You can check from there as well, and I hope you have learned something and you get some value from this video. If you have, then subscribe and like this video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.